Are you planning to study at Buffalo City TVET College in 2027? In this video, I will show you how the Buffalo City TVET College online application works, what you need before applying, and where to submit your application. Welcome to South Africa portal. Buffalo City TVET College offers vocational education and training programs in areas such as business, engineering, information technology, office administration, tourism and occupational training. The college has campuses including East London, John Knox Bokwe, St. Mark's and King Street. If you want to apply for the 2027 academic year, it is important to check the college's official website provided in the description of this video for the latest application announcements, opening dates, available programs and admission requirements. To start your application, visit the official Buffalo City TVET College website and go to the How to Apply section. The college states that applicants can apply online through the Buffalo City College student portal. You can use a smartphone, tablet or computer to complete the application process. If you need assistance with the online application, the college also indicates that applicants can visit a campus to book an online application session. The college uses its Student I-Enabler system for online applications. When applying, follow the instructions displayed on the portal carefully. If you already have a student number, the system can provide the appropriate portal access for your application. Make sure the personal information you enter is correct, especially your name, identification details, contact number and email address. Depending on the program and your level of study, you may need documents such as your certified school report, statement of results, grade 12 certificate or other relevant qualification documents. For NCV programs, Buffalo City TVET College indicates that applicants may need a certified copy of their latest school report, statement of results, grade 9 or higher qualification, GET certificate, a BET Level 4 certificate, N1 or an applicable RPL assessment. Make sure your documents are clear and meet the college's requirements before uploading them. Before submitting your application, check the programs available for 2027. Buffalo City TVET College offers programs through different schools, including business, engineering and occupational training. For example, programs listed by the college include areas such as office administration, information technology and computer practice, finance, economics and accounting, tourism, mechatronics and various engineering fields. Check the admission requirements for your chosen program because requirements can differ from one course to another. If you need financial assistance, you should also check whether you qualify for NSFAS funding. Buffalo City TVET College provides information about NSFAS applications and bursary opportunities through its website. Remember that applying for admission and applying for funding are separate processes, so follow the relevant instructions for each one. Apply as soon as applications for your chosen 2027 intake officially open. Use your correct personal information and make sure your contact details are active. Upload the required documents in the correct format and check that they are readable. Before submitting, carefully review your application for mistakes. After submitting, keep your application or reference details safe so you can use them when checking your application status. Also, only rely on official Buffalo City TVET College announcements for application dates, requirements and program availability. You can access the official Buffalo City TVET College application information through the college's website. The official How to Apply page provides instructions for applying online through the student portal. The college's official website is also the best place to check for updates concerning the 2027 application cycle. And that is how to get started with your Buffalo City TVET College online application for 2027. If this video helped you, Please like the video, share it with other students who may need this information, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about the application process. Don't forget to subscribe to South Africa portal and turn on the notification bell for more South African University TVET College, nursing, jobs, bursaries, internships, learnerships, apprenticeships, careers, government updates, opportunities, scholarships, and lifestyle in South Africa and beyond.